All right. Good afternoon, guys. How is everyone doing today? You guys are more than welcome to unmute yourself and just introduce yourself, please. I want you to just introduce yourself and just about yourself, a brief about yourself, like 1 to 2 minutes, just so the whole class understands who you are, and then what's your background is.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
I am Ranoya.
Mhm.
I'm currently a student at Seneca College
Very
studying
good.
computer system technician.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Very good. And
Uh,
what's your background in computer system? Have you ever worked anywhere before, or is this your first time
uh,
you're looking to?
no, I'm looking to find a job.
Okay. And when are you going to graduate?
Next June.
Okay, next June. Okay, very good, very good. Yeah, it's good to get a startup ahead of time. Very good.
Yep.
Okay,
Thank you.
perfect. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Who wants to go next?
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone.
Hey, how are you, man?
I'm good. I'm good. So, my name is Sam. Uh, I have a degree in computer science and engineering.
Very good.
I used to work for close to 3 years, and I have done a couple of projects. In my first project, I was doing cloud migration for Hewlett Packard,
Very good.
and then I was doing application support for another project in my second. So yeah, in my second project, being an application support, like I had experience with ticketing system and handling incidents and onboarding, offboarding, and like I feel like similar to a help desk, but like primarily to three ERP. Like I was mainly helping ERP applications.
Okay, very good. Yes.
So
And what type of ERP have you worked on?
like it was basically the company that I was working for. It was called Incora, and the application that was called the name of the application was like JD Adverse. It's like an Oracle application,
Oh,
and
okay,
then
right. Okay.
and then and
Oh, very good.
mainly we were like onboarding, offboarding, like user issues.
Mhm.
It was Incora mainly handling problems with supply chain and like U.S. Airplane, like Lockheed Martin, and like dealing with like airplane and like U.S. government things.
Oh, very good.
I
Okay.
was there, yeah. But in December 20th, I had to quit my job because, like, in January 2024, I had to move to Canada. So I was studying here as project management, but unfortunately, due to financial constraints, I couldn't finish the course. Like, right
Mhm.
now, I'm in PR, but yeah, so I finished 3 semesters, but I had to drop out because of financial constraints. So I'm trying to get back into IT uh, and yeah, work and get back on track, basically.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Who else wants to go, guys?
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Anuj. Good
Yeah,
afternoon.
it's me, Anuj.
Mhm.
I completed my bachelor's degree in computer application from Nepal.
Mhm.
So in Nepal, I have like 2 years of experience working in IT companies.
Mhm.
So I work there for the managing service server, group policies. I work for ticketing system.
Mhm.
So I used to do this stuff over there. And from 2 years, I'm continuously applying for a job here in Canada, but still now I didn't get any response from the companies.
Mhm.
So I think this course will help me
Yep.
to get job.
Mhm. Yes, yes. So I know that you watch the videos, right? So I'll go over it again anyway. So when we finish the introduction, I have an agenda that I need to cover today. But yes, for sure, we do connect you with the recruiters and everyone, right? So that is something that we do. Obviously, with that said, it's not that just because you complete this course does not mean you get it. I'll go into more details about it just later on once we're done introduction. Okay? Of everyone, for sure.
Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good. Who wants to go next?
Hello.
Hello, yes.
Hello, my name is Stefan.
Yes, Stefan.
I currently work as a help desk for this company called Solunen. It's been 3 weeks, and honestly, I learned a lot about this company. I learned about the ticketing system. We use Autotask. I learned what was onboarding, offboarding. On a daily basis, the issue we face a lot is the mailbox issue with Outlook.
Mhm.
What else? Sometimes we deal with printing issue as well.
Yep.
And this is most it. I love the job. Enroll myself to this course because I think this course is valuable to my job position. So that's why I enroll.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, because in here you'll do a lot of Azure, you'll do a lot of Office 365, which will be very useful for you, especially onboarding, offboarding, and group policies, assigning roles. So definitely will be very useful for you for
Yes.
your career development, for sure. All right, who wants to go next, guys? Go ahead, Yash. You might have to unmute yourself. Yeah,
Yeah. Um, Hi, Atsman. How are you?
good, good, good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So I just want to tell about myself.
Mhm.
I came here in Canada 2 years back
Mhm.
and did my bachelor's back in India. I did my BTech in electronics and communication engineering. And after that, I chose to come to Canada. And here I studied post-grad diploma in wireless networking. That's somehow related to this course.
Yes.
So I thought this course would be a great fit for me to
Mhm.
get some practical knowledge, and I believe I hope I could learn a lot from you, and that's what I
Thank you.
have to
Yes.
say. Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. And I hope you will do.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. Thank you. All right, who wants to go next? Go ahead. Go ahead, Vivek.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivek.
Mhm.
I have just finished my personal support worker certification and now I'm working in a nursing home. But I do not want to continue to work in this field and I wanted to switch, so that's why I enrolled in this course.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Yeah, people always need to have a change of career, right? So no problem at all. Welcome. All right, and I had someone else who had their hand up. Jason, I think I had.
Yeah, hi. So, my background is basically in electronics and communication, a BTech in India.
Mhm.
Then I did computer system networking in 2012, 2013.
Mhm.
And then I worked for TELUS as a telecommunications technician for a couple of years.
Very good.
But last time I was in touch with IT, like even the technology was until 2016. So after
Mhm.
2016, I basically got into some other career.
Mhm.
Worked there, some business side for around 10 years, and I'm out of touch of
Mhm.
networking and IT. So I'm trying to come back to IT, and I think this course will be a good refresher for me and just get a restart in IT.
Yeah, for sure, man. For sure. Thank you so much. All right. Komanavali.
Yes, hi, hello.
Hey.
I'm an engineering graduate, like computer science engineering, and I was working for HCL in from 2009 and till 12. Then later on, I have to switch my job to administrative assistant in an educational institute. And now currently I am an I'm doing my master's in one of the institute here in
Mhm.
technology and entrepreneurship and innovation.
Very
And
good.
I felt like it's like outdated when I was in HCL. It's like in 2009 to 12. So I felt outdated and I have to refresh myself and update myself to this current technology and get back to my job
Yeah,
again.
for sure.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Good.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And next I have Raman.
Hello, everyone. My name is
Hey.
Ramandeep Kaur. and I have 4+ years of experience as a IT support analyst. Actually, I got layoff in April 2025, and since then I'm just looking for new jobs, applying for like a lot of roles, but I just got very few interviews, and I just wanted to keep myself connected to the I can say to my knowledge, to networking, to everything like that. So that's why I joined this course, and I hope probably I would get my role back very soon. So yeah, that's it.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I have next is Gorkuma. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name.
Hi everyone.
Hey.
So I'm Good Kombo. I completed BCA back in India, and here I did recently completed my cloud computing, and I'm looking forward to find a job in IT sector.
Okay, very good, very good. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone else that has not went yet?
Hey, how are you?
Hey, good.
My,
Go ahead.
myself, Hardik. I completed my bachelor's in the IT in India. So I moved in Canada 2 years ago. Currently, I have a job, but in non-IT. So I have 7 years experience in support engineering Flipkart. And currently, I'm working in Amazon. And so every company has moved in cloud. So it's beneficial. This course is beneficial for me. Is it to Azure 365 onboarding. So that's why I'm here for continue. So
Very nice,
that's it.
very nice. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Who wants to go next?
Hello.
Hey, yes, Lokesh.
Yep. Hello, everyone. This is Lokesh here. So I have a background of working into like production support in India for 3 years, and then I came here to Canada and completed a course in the project management and business analyst. And after that, I'm trying to find like I want to go back to the some cloud support or something, but I didn't get a positive response from the market, I guess. So I thought like I will be continuing with the same like help desk or support kind of jobs. So I thought I will enroll this course and I will continue with the my knowledge.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Lokesh.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think I might have one person who has not, one or two people who have not went yet. If you guys want to just raise your hands or just unmute and you can guys speak, please. I think it would be, I don't know, I could be wrong, but I think Sam Vijayan.
I spoke second.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, see, I told you. I'm so sorry. I'm looking at the list of here. No worries. I have Saravan. But if you guys all went, no problem at all. Okay, no problem. Go ahead. Oh, my microphone has an issue. Yeah. Okay, no worries, no worries. If you just want to, Saravan, if you just want to send a message to, just talk about it, that's fine, no problem at all. Okay. All right, guys. So let's get started. I have a couple of things that I want to cover always on the first day when we have here. We're going to be talking about agendas today. I have a couple of things that I want to cover for the agendas and make sure you guys are aware what it is and how I like to run my class. I like to have a strict policy on certain disciplinary action inside the class. Okay. So I'll tell you that one is how to join the class and where you guys can look at your calendar invites, accept the calendar invite so we know you have accepted it. Class joining protocol, attendance expectation, as we talked about in the 1.5 hours course on day one on November 8th, but I'll still briefly go over it. And the next is I want to show you your LMS platform, how to log in, how to access the recording, the quizzes and assignments, and how to track, how to track certain progresses, and email communication. I want to talk about, if you want to be late, I need you guys to be proactive. Absent, I need you guys to be proactive. assignment help, how do you actually ask for help, assignment submission, how you should be doing it as well. And because right now this IT help desk batch, there's about 3 different batches continuously running. So just to identify you guys, I'll give you guys a course code that I want you guys to put in the email in the header, and I'll show you how to do this too. So that way that all of you guys can see it, and I can reply to it too, and I know which batch I'm talking to. Okay. And the next is certifications. What certifications that are currently in the market right now that will be very beneficial for you to land a job once you've done this course or during this course as well. And once you get the certification, what happens afterwards, I'll talk to you guys about it too. And I want to give you guys a holiday alerts. There is one holiday alert. One is to be determined yet. I'll tell you guys about that today too. And talk about the last class. What happens on January 17th is going to be our last class. Talk about that. And next class preparation. Okay. So week 2, week 3 is preparation. All right. So let's get started. I want to start off by talking about how to join the class meetings. Okay. So whenever you guys open up your, I'm sure you guys pretty much all you guys gave me your Gmail, right? I'll just show from a Gmail perspective. I just want to see here. I just want to make sure everybody's Gmail because I think nobody else is. Yeah, everybody's Gmail. Yeah, that's perfect. Very good. Okay, so I'll just show you guys Gmail, so how it works. So let me log into my email here, and I'll share my screen, okay? So you guys should have received an email from CTEC Training Center about, I believe, somewhere around last week. Okay, so you guys should be seeing my screen right now. Perfect. So what you guys seeing here is my email view, right? So if you click on the calendar here, how you can go is you can just click on the calendar over here and then expand this. And then you guys should see a calendar invite here for today. If you have not accepted, please click on this and click yes. So it marks it on our end that you have accepted the invite, okay? If you ever need to go ahead and join this link, you just click on join this meeting Google link. But the link was, I believe, my staff has sent you the link through WhatsApp anyways for you guys to join. But you guys can see what days we have classes and what time, okay? So pretty much all the classes are available, and there's classes whenever it's holiday, it's been removed. It'll be automatically removed from your calendar as well, okay? And the last class is also marked for you guys, okay? Just so you guys understand how it works. Now, whenever you guys want to email someone, I want you guys to do it in a certain way, okay? So I'm going to compose an email right now, and I want to, give me 1 second. I want to put in all the people's emails so all you guys can have that right now. So I'm just going to reply to all. But I'm going to put in your class code, which is IT Help Desk. I have it here. Give me 1 second. Which is IT Help Desk. You guys are the December batch. Sorry, November batch, sorry. November. Class email. And then I'm just going to do introduction email, okay? Okay, so I have typed this up, right? This is the format that I want you guys to follow, but I have other formats that I give it to you guys so you guys are aware, okay, as well. But if you sent this, you guys should all now receive an email. If you have not, please send me a message or please send a message on WhatsApp and we'll correct the Gmail, okay, what we have on file. All right, now you guys should see an email here. Okay, that's okay. There's one that failed. I'll fix that. Okay, so if you see here, if you ever need to reply to this email, if you ever need to reply to this email, let's say this one over here, this is the one, you would always do reply all from here, okay? That way, everybody in the chain will get it. Everybody in the chain will get it, okay? That way, it seems consistent, and if you're ever talking to someone, it'll always be that, everybody will see the loop, okay? And whenever you do absence or anything, you want to ask question, it should be to the whole class itself, your whole class, okay? And then once they understood it, and then they can answer too. If your colleagues are answering question, I encourage you guys jump in the email chain and start, answering as well, okay? But this is just a basic, basic thing I want to just cover, okay, here. Next I want to cover here is, give me 1 second. And as I said, attendance expectation. There is no 100% expectation for attendance here for this batch. If you're going to be away or late, there is some policies that I just want you guys to follow. Okay. One of them being said is, if you're going to be late if you're going to be late by 30 minutes, if you're going to be late, just let us know 30 minutes before that you're going to be late. Okay, just through email. Just send a whole email to the class, and the format you're going to be using is this. I'm going to send this to you guys. Okay, as well in this email. Okay, so if you're going to be late, you just put in this and then your name, and then you're going to be late. Okay, just if you want to put in you're going to be late by 30 minutes, whatever it is, that's fine. If you're going to be absent for the class, you have to let us know 2 hours before. Okay, you're not going to make it. If you fail to follow this, if you're late, if you don't mention the class, I should be expecting you to be here at 1 p.m. 1:05 will start the class. Okay. If I don't see you by 1:05, the class gets turned off and you cannot come into the class. That's how it works. If you cannot make it to the class and if you're late, you will not get access to the recording. Now, for the absent, if you don't let us know 2 hours before the class starts, you won't get access to the recording as well. Okay, that I just want to be very clear with. It's just to make sure that you maintain a special professionalism during this class as well. This is what will be expected in your workplace as well. Okay, so I want to make sure this is very well kept. Now, for assignment help, you can email it this way to the whole group, and you can ask for help. Don't just expect my answer, but what I would expect is each one of you guys trying to solve this. And for me, whenever I address you guys, I'll address you guys as a team, not as a student. I don't consider you guys as a students. I consider you guys as a team. We'll start slowly building this team mentality, and you guys become a team. Okay. And if any of my staffs are contacting you guys, they'll contact you guys with this student. Okay. Just so you guys understand the communication difference. Now, whenever you're submitting the assignment, I want you to do this code over here: IT help desk and your name, assignment name, and then submission at the end. Okay. This one you don't have to send to the whole group. This is just an email to myself. Email to okay. Okay. Now I know. Okay. Give me 1 second. I know that there was one person's email that was wrong. I just want to make sure we have. Perfect. Now this is sent to you guys too. Let me just update the. Oh, I can't do it from the site. Okay. That's okay. Okay. So now that is basic email communication standards. Okay. And whenever you guys want to email the class or anything like that. Now just let's go into the LMS login as well. How many of you guys already went into the LMS and logged in? So when you go into the LMS here, you'll be able to log in on the top over here. You can do this from your phone as well. So when you log in, you guys will get a slightly different view because you guys are from the student side, right? So you'll have access to this too as well. But let me log in as a student. Give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. Okay. This is what you guys will see as a student, okay? When you guys log in, you'll be greeted with your name, and you'll see a calendar with the dates of your classes as well here. You guys can click on this too and get the meeting link as well. But make sure whenever you're logging in, you're logging in from the same email address, the same Gmail account, okay, when you're signing into the meeting itself. Okay? It might give you some issues if you're trying to do it from a different account, okay? Just to let you guys know that. But let's say when you're here, you go into My Courses. This will show you the registered course which you're at, okay? And then you guys have the options to send a message to this side too here. And you can send a message. It's a live messaging system. So you guys can message other people that's in the class. There's about 15 people in this class, and you'll see whoever is online in here as well, I believe. But email is a better communication than this, but this is possible too. Okay? Live messaging here. Now let me go into the course here. When you go into the course, these will be started up. Okay, you'll see which are ones accessible. These are the lesson ones for these for this class, okay, for today's class that you should have been watching for after this. Okay, this covers week 1 lesson 1 and week 1 lesson 2. This talks about introduction to hardware, introduction to IT, and introduction to hardware itself. Okay, and then your week 2 will open up. Your quizzes for this week will be posted here. Okay, or will be sent by email as well. Okay, sometimes these LMS, the quizzes itself it's very finicky. So we like to do the quiz outside of outside of LMS here. So we will actually send you a link to the quiz itself. What I will do is after this class, as soon as we're done, I will actually send you an email. I will actually send you an email from my side to let you guys know this is a quiz. Please complete it before this date. Okay. Go ahead, Stephen.
Excuse me to bother you. On my week 1, I can't see the videos. It seemed to be an error. Am I the only one?
Are you accessing on your phone or are you accessing on the
Sorry?
On the computer. Are you accessing on the computer or on the phone?
On the computer.
Huh? What browser are you using?
I'm using Safari. Oh, I think it's because I'm using Safari. Maybe
Maybe it depends on the browser as well.
I will try another.
Yeah, try Google Chrome. And if you're still having issues, tell me. I'll actually send you a YouTube link as well. Okay, which is much more easier. I know some people have in the past had experiencing with their browser, especially if you're on a slightly outdated computer or outdated browser. It does give some issue, but don't worry. If you are, just let me know through email, and I'll send you the video recording as well. Okay, from YouTube. It's YouTube site.
Okay, thank you.
It's much more compatible. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much for pointing that out. Thank you. But what happens is these videos are on YouTube and they get streamed into LMS for your easy access. Okay, just so thing. Because the LMS itself, I'll tell you this: LMS itself crashes sometimes. So if it does crash, I'll let you guys know way before, so you guys can be aware. And if it does crash, I will send you the videos all by email itself, but I'll let you know, communicate with well through it. Okay, not a problem at all. The next I want to show you guys is this is about LMS. Okay, and accessing recording. So every week, once we are done the recording itself, I'll actually add another section here called week 1 recording. Okay, and you can click on the link and it takes you to YouTube, or you can even see it here for to watch a video. Okay, itself, and it'll be whatever the duration is. We'll have it here. we'll have it there. Okay. And usually the class recording will be uploaded within 24 hours of the class finishing. Once it's done, I usually try to send you guys an email saying that the recording is available on LMS, okay? Just so you guys are aware it's posted. Sometimes you might not get it from me, depends on how busy that day is, but usually within 24 hours, I'll have it uploaded, okay? Usually what happens is this Google Meeting, it's automatically recorded, and it gets saved into a drive. I just have to take that and upload it to YouTube itself and then convert it, okay? That's what happens. And sometimes it just takes me some time to get the downloading file from Google itself. Okay. Right. The next thing I want to talk about is certification that's currently in the market right now. Okay. So a couple of things is I want to tell you there's 3 certifications that's currently in the market. Any two of them, I'll tell you right now, they're very cost effective. Okay. They do the job, and a lot of people have actively getting job offer, and they're actually landing the job right now, especially for the Office 365 migration and entry-level IT roles, right? Which one of them is AZ-900, which is an Azure fundamental certifications itself. This one, it is to say that you have fundamental knowledge about it, and I've seen people, and I'll give you the resources too. The nice thing is, if you go into your LMS here, let me just go into LMS again. If you go into your course, at the bottom, I've actually given you some resources to pass exams, okay? So these are some things that the past students have watched and passed exams with, and I'll do the same thing. Anything that's further that's in the market right now, I'll try to put you guys a video so you guys don't have to go out and purchase these fundamental things. And I'll get you the one that works currently in the market right now. Just 2 weeks ago, somebody passed with just this video. Okay, so this one, it's just been playback on this other website has been disabled by the video owner. I'll give you guys a link for this one, okay? Don't worry. I'll send you guys a link for this one. So you guys can go to YouTube. I'll replace this with the link itself, okay? So you guys can just go to YouTube and watch it there. No problem at all. One of the other thing is I want to show you, yeah. So these are the certifications that I want that is currently in the market right now. It's getting really into entry level, and especially into the cloud platform, which is Azure 900 and MS 900 which is Microsoft fundamentals. The only thing is MS 900. The only thing about MS 900 is a fundamental, but this certification is going to become end of life. Okay. I believe end of this year, this one they're going to be cutting this certification off. Yes. No, sorry, next year, March. But this is still a good certification to get. You can get these for, I believe, $50, I believe. And I'll send you guys, sometimes they have something called workshops, Microsoft Office 365 workshops. When you join those and attend those, you'll get a 50% off coupon, and it's free to attend. I'll try to figure out when the next workshops are. They are the same thing for Azure Fundamentals. They are the same thing for Microsoft 365 Fundamentals as well. Once you guys join them and complete them, I think it's a 4 hours something. For Azure, I know it's 2 days. I think 4 hours each, so it's 8 hours total. Once you complete it, you get a 50% off coupon, and then you get the $100 exam for down to $50. The same thing you can do with Microsoft 365 as well. Okay, so you get that down to $50 as well, which is two of them are very cost effective and pretty much in the current demand market right now for the entry level. So the other one that's currently is very, very high, and if you look at any job market right now, they're asking for this, which is called ITIL. Okay. Which is what I have put these 2 videos out. These 2 are phenomenal videos for you to pass the exam. This guy's videos are just focused on the exam itself, and it's to pass the exam. And ITIL exams, if you actually want to write it, it won't take you more than 1 or 2 weeks to prepare for it completely. And what I mean by completely, meaning 80% and above mark. Okay, so it's a very good exam. It's about the fundamentals of how IT runs and how does IT provides value to the corporation that it's in. Which is what I've explained about in the lesson 1 as well. It provides a little bit of the introduction to ITIL as well. Okay? So right now in the market, which is AZ-900, MS-900, ITIL foundations. ITIL foundation being one of the most expensive certifications to get. I believe it's around 600 USD. And I used to have a person that used to provide us with voucher codes 50% off. If I do have that, I'll still try to get that in contact with you guys and I'll let you guys know. Just let me know if you guys are interested. I think it'll become like 300 or 350, I believe. It'll be a 50% off. So I'll try to get you guys in contact with them too if you guys are interested in doing ITIL, which is pretty much, if you search up for ITIL Foundation, it's asked in almost all service desk job. It is a very it's a very high value certification. Okay.
This one is a one part or two parts, like the
Which one?
This ITIL? It's just
ITIL is just one part. Yeah, ITIL is one part. They have different ITIL certifications, but the foundation, the ITIL 4 foundation is just one part. Honestly, it took some people 3 days to prepare and write the exam. It's very, very fundamental. It's just common sense in IT, and it's about how IT provides value inside of a company. It's more about like theoretical stuff. It's nothing practical. And I've seen people pass it within 2 days of thing, and 2 weeks is more than enough for preparing for it. More than enough.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Sam, go ahead, Sam.
Yeah, hi. I just wanted to ask, like, which should we start with first? Like, which
Okay.
certification should we start with first? Yeah.
Very good question. I would suggest you guys start with MS 900, which is very currently in the market right now. It shouldn't take you guys more than 2 weeks to complete that. Okay, and then go to AZ 900. Within 4 weeks, you guys should be able to complete those 2 exams. Given a reasonable amount of time studying, you guys should be able to pass those. And then focus on ITIL. But I suggest right now in the market, MS 900 and AZ 900, two of the first things you should be focusing on. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. All right. Any other question, guys? Okay, so next thing that I want to talk about is the holiday alerts that I have for this week. Okay, for like this batch itself, we already have December 27th as a holiday for this course. Is just because it's right on the Christmas break and New Year, so I want to just make sure. I know Christmas break is around here, but we're not having class at least 27th. If I give you guys a holiday, that'll get you guys away for the New Year and New Year's Eve, right? So it'll give you guys a much more stretch, and then we meet back on January 3rd. Okay, that's just a 1 week, 1 day of holiday on 23rd. And that's why if you go in your calendar, you should not see the 27th being filled in. Now, December 13th, I might have something that day that I might have to take a holiday, but it's not sure yet. It'll be to be determined, to be honest, as of right now. But if that's the case, I will communicate with you guys on December the first week of December, just to give you guys a communication. At least by the 5th of December, I'll give you guys if I am going away on the 13th, if I have to be away on 13th, I will let you guys know by December 5th. Okay, that is my promise to you guys, just so you guys are aware. I'll try to say it even by end of November, but just in case something happens, if I don't find out, December 5th will be my last day to call until send you guys an email, or on the December 6th in class, I'll let you guys know about the class on December 15th. Okay. Any questions so far, guys? Okay, awesome. Go ahead. Okay, thank you. The next thing is I want to cover is our last day of class. What do you expect to do on January 17th, which is considered to be our last day of class? Okay, it'll be the final certification. It's when we complete it, and we will be given the completion of IT Help Desk Analyst training program, accessing final recordings and everything, after class support and job assistance. Okay, after the 17th. So you'll be given full recording in a playlist. It'll be given to you just in case if the LMS has crashed. I hope YouTube will never crash, right? So you'll always have access to the YouTube videos. For the people who have attended, if you have access to those YouTube videos, you will have access to them. Okay, from the same Gmail account you have given us. Okay, the Gmail account really cannot be changed. It's once it's there, we have to change it in many places. So if you have given a different address, just let us know and we'll correct on our end. I know we got a wrong one of the email address was wrong and we fixed it. But if there's wrong, no problem at all. Let us know. We'll remove the incorrect one and add the actual one. So the LMS, I'm going to say at least for 3 months, but the thing is, I'm not 100% sure because the thing is, sometimes these LMSs crashes. So pretty much we give you guys the recording of the videos through a YouTube video in a document. We'll give it to you guys, so you guys will always have access to it until YouTube doesn't exist, right? So you'll always have access to the recording. We will also try to download anything that's off of the LMS and give it to you as well, just so you have it in a zip file. Okay, so you guys will not be missing anything. Okay. The quizzes and assignments will be off the LMS anyways. It will be through email communications, and submissions will be email based, right? So LMS is really there for just holding the videos itself, so you guys can go in and view it. Okay. Right. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Okay. Awesome. So I want to talk about what you should be covering for this class. If you guys have not, please go ahead and watch the week 1 and week 2 video. I'm going to be releasing these two of the videos that you should be completing by. It's a week 1 lesson 1, week 2 lesson 2, and then your next class thing will release on 21st, which will be right before when we meet next week. We will have actually a working session that day as well, just to understand, go through some of the operating system and everything. Okay? These classes will have, this one is about introduction to hardware. This one is about introduction to IT itself. So if you're someone new into IT, this will give you very good insights on what is an IT, how does it work. Okay? But there is a quiz for this, which I'll send to you right after this class, okay? Which you have to just complete it before 20 seconds, before you join the class, okay? At 1 p.m. Okay? Any questions, guys, so far? Okay, perfect. So what I want you guys to do is just please go through these videos. And if you have any questions, which I expect some of you guys will have some questions, to send an email. But if you already have watched this video, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask the question right now. And how I usually like to run these classes is when we come into the next class, we would have a first 30 minutes is to discuss about in your topics you covered. So for week 2, for the first 30 minutes, we would cover week 1, lesson 1, and week 2, lesson 2, just a briefing. I would expect each and one of you guys to just unmute and talk about what you have learned. And is there anything new you have learned? And if it is, what it seems to be interesting in the topic we have covered. And then we'll go on to obviously that you wouldn't have watched week 2, but we will go on to some of the class activity that I'll work with you guys, and then you guys will go ahead and watch those week 2 videos. But I encourage that if you guys can watch it on the 21st, it'll be very good for us when we come in. But if you guys do want it unlocked just a slightly couple of days before, we can get it unlocked a couple of days before. But it's just to give you time to work on the quizzes as well. Okay. From week 2 and week 3 onwards, it'll be a lot of hands-on activity type thing. Okay, troubleshooting, lots of hands-on activity from week 3 onwards. But usually week 1 and week 2, it's definitely is a very theoretical base. We need to cover the basics. We need to understand the foundational things. Okay. All right, guys. I'm just going to give you guys 15 minutes back. I'm sorry, 1 hour back, so you guys can go ahead and watch these videos. I believe they're about 45 minutes of videos. If you guys have not watched it, please go ahead and watch those. And I will be sending the quiz in today as well, right after this meeting. And then please finish them before next class. There is no extension for assignments, and there's no extension for quizzes. Okay, just to be very clear. You must complete all the assignments, and you must complete all the quizzes. Okay, it is a must for this course, please. Okay. Any questions, guys? All right. So,
excuse me, sorry, I didn't hear what you said last. We have to watch this video and then we have to do the quiz.
yes, yes. So please watch the video right now during the 1 hour. I'm going to be sending the quiz, releasing the quiz in about 30 minutes for you guys right now through email. And please complete the quiz, okay? Before you start the next class. So which is going to be next week, Saturday, before 1 p.m., okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me now, or you can send me an email, and which I've showed you guys. And then once the recording is done, for this one, I'm going to send you guys access to the recording through WhatsApp. I'm going to ask the staff to send the individually, guys. And then from next week onwards, it's going to be just through your LMS. Okay, you'll be notified through email that it's ready. But you should be able to access the recording from the email itself. Sorry, not from WhatsApp, from email itself for this recording. Plus, you'll have access to the quizzes. From next class onwards, it'll just be through LMS itself. Okay, we'll notify you once the recording is uploaded through email, but it'll be accessed on LMS. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna say thank you so much for all you guys joining. Please watch the video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send an email to the whole class group, just like how I told you guys. You guys have it with the same format, so we can discuss about it, right? In the beginning, it'll be a healthy and very good discuss. Okay. And then when I call you guys as a team from on now, you guys are not considered students, you guys are considered team, and that's still the mentality that I want you guys to carry as well. Okay. And you'll see why when we go down to week 3. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys next week.